Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the TooTaci Turnbuckle Wire Tensioner Kit, a versatile solution for various outdoor and indoor applications. If you're looking for a reliable wire tensioning system, this might just be your best bet. The TooTaci Turnbuckle Wire Tensioner Kit is designed with durability and functionality in mind. It comes complete with a 100 feet stainless steel cable, coated for extra protection and longevity. This kit includes everything you need: turnbuckles, wire rope, thimbles, screw eye bolts, and crimping sleeves. Built to withstand outdoor elements with 304 stainless steel, ensuring corrosion resistance. Perfect for trellises, outdoor light hanging, curtain wires, and more. The kit is designed for straightforward setup, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. M5 turnbuckles allow for adjustable tension, ensuring your wires stay taut and secure. Vinyl coating on the steel cable enhances durability, promising a longer service life compared to traditional options. Now, let's talk installation. Begin by screwing in the eye hooks into your posts or walls. Then, thread the steel cable through the hooks or turnbuckles and secure using the included crimping sleeves. Finally, adjust the M5 turnbuckles to achieve your desired tension. In conclusion, the TooTaci Turnbuckle Wire Tensioner Kit offers exceptional value with its robust construction, ease of installation, and wide-ranging applications. If you're looking to upgrade your wire tensioning setup, this kit is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the TooTaci Turnbuckle Wire Tensioner Kit today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on top products like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique.